Chapter 8. Find humor in the hiccups. Got lost, ordered soup and got squid, took the wrong bus, laugh about it. Humor is the best travel buddy you've got. I once ended up in the middle of a Bulgarian wedding thinking it was a local market. I danced, I ate, I toasted, and no one told me to leave. Embarrassing moments often make the best stories. And when you're laughing, you're never lonely. Combat travel loneliness. Tips for seniors. Introduction. Why this matters? Well, now let me tell you something straight from the heart. Travel is one of life's greatest joys, but it can also bring an unexpected companion, loneliness, especially for seniors. You see, when you're older, traveling can be a dream you finally have time and money for, but it's not always the picture-perfect postcard adventure you expect. That quiet hotel room, that unfamiliar city street, or that empty dinner table.